Apart from this, the other function that I'm going to show is the mind mapping tool, which will basically allow you to write over, in this case, I wrote like this, but you can create new fields and continue writing like this, or you can write directly into each of the new fields like this, for example. Correct? Quite simple, right? Etc. Here you create this way. Okay? Very simple tool, but it can help you make any charts that you want. So that is also quite helpful. Now the Insert tab, again, if we go to Insert and then we go to Window and then we select OPS, for example, it will bring into the Android setting the OPS here. So basically with the OPS, you will be able to play a video, for example, on one side, and on the other side you can continue writing if you want to write some notes on it. Okay? So this is also a way just to kind of merge both Windows and Android worlds, and you can have something playing on the Windows side and work on the Android side simultaneously on a window-based system, right? Apart from this, you can also insert, if you do window, you can also insert media as a window. So basically, if you have any video that you want to play, you can also insert it as a window, and then it will be floating on the whiteboard, right? You can also do the QR code, which again will allow you, like I explained yesterday, look, today is working now that we're using the other network and not the school network. It's allowing me, so let's just 1 second and I'll show you what I meant by this. So see. Okay, perfect. So then we do add file, and then we can take a picture, for example. You can take a picture of that. And we do use photo. It's uploading the photo, and we do submit. And then we're getting the picture straight to the board through our cloud, okay? So we wait a couple seconds, and then we have this picture directly into the board, okay? So we do insert, and now we're working with this picture into the board that we just took 1 second ago. So this is very useful if you want to take a picture of a textbook, for example, and bring it up to the board, or if you want to take a picture of anything in the classroom, if somebody of the teacher or one of the kids has brought something that they want to share with the classroom, they can bring it this way into the board. You can also do it with existing files, so you don't have to take a new picture. You can have already a picture taken or a document that you would want to share this way, and then you can do your presentations as well. So it's quite a unique tool, and something that is also at the moment unique to Starboard. So it's another of the advantages of working with us. So here you have basically the files that you have already done before, which might be any screenshots that you've taken, anything that you have saved. You can come back to the board and paste it or insert a new one, etc. With shapes, like I showed yesterday, you have different shapes that you can use. So if you want to use this one, for example, sorry, didn't grab it. And let's do yellow. Oh, it's not grabbing the circle. Okay, now. So here you have the shapes, and you can use them this way. So, again, you have also 3D shapes, for example, different stickers, or you can add new ones. So if you want to have your own stickers for the classroom, it could be something fun or anything that you want to bring into the board, you can bring as a sticker, and then it will be something that will work kind of this way. You touch and you paste it, as many as you want. We have as well the table. So basically, you can make a table and then write inside of it, all right, etc. Correct. So this way, quite simple, works for whenever you want to do a small table, you can have it this way. Erasing, again, remind that you can erase with the back of your hand this way, okay? Or you can erase as well with the front of your palm if you do it with a large enough surface. So for me, it works better the back of my hand, but it might work differently for you. It could be also only 2 fingers as well. You also have to, the larger the surface, the more accurate that it will be. So anything that you want to use can be used in this scenario. Insert I showed already, undo and redo, pretty much self-explanatory. And then we have different colors and plain colors that you can load to the board, etc. Pretty simple. Different textures that you have here. Different things that are prepared already. For example, this football pitch one, right? You have the music one as well. You have some more, for example, multiplication table, etc. Apart from that, you can load your own, which is probably what's going to be most interesting. If you can bring your own already as a background that you want to use for the certain classroom, that you can have it loaded here. Very simple, so you basically just tap there and it will take you to the file explorer to select which image you want to use as a background. Okay, perfect. So basically, another thing, when you select a background, it's going to be the same background for every single page that you make. So then, of course, you can change afterwards. But basically, it will apply to every single page onwards. Okay. So this background will stay in the pages before the moment that you did that change. Okay. After that change, it will be the one that you have chosen. Okay. So this is pretty much the SBS Note on a nutshell. As you can see, like I said, very simple software, doesn't have many complicated stuff, something basic that you can use for a classroom without wanting to have much of a headache making your lessons. So you bring in whatever you want to do on the classroom, and then you any resource that you need you can get from the search tool using Google, or with the new tools that are coming, for example, the resource library that you will be able to get access directly from our menu here. So that is pretty much the SBS Note. Okay, very simple, self-explanatory, and with a little bit of practice you'll know everything about it. Probably after we do some practice with the panels, you'll be already feeling comfortable.